Mike Scott says the fatalities mostly affect wildlife species with a high biodiversity value. Bird species are among the highest hit by fatal accidents, with a few mammals such as the small spotted genet and giraffes. About 88% of the incidents are collisions, whereas 12% is through electrocution of birds building their nests on power lines and poles.
Such as collisions, when especially birds fail to see overhead conductors, or commonly known as wires, or stay wires and fly into them, especially during periods of poor visibility such as dawn, dusk and at night. Flamingos are inclined to fly at night as well, which is an issue, and or during adverse weather conditions like strong wind, dust, fog, etc. Electrocutions, on the other hand, when birds or other animals make contact with electrical components on power supply structures when attempting to sit on them, causing a short circuit and mortality.
This, he says, lead to power blackouts or fire in some instances, which then result in costly maintenance. Scott further adds that it is difficult to obtain data in this regard.
To obtain data from some parts of the country due to bush encroachment problems which prevent access under the power lines. We have good data for the Eronga coast where the habitat is open and access is easier. We also have good data for the south and central parts of the country.
The strategic partnership between NamPower and the Namibia Nature Foundation, formed in 2008, is aimed at creating awareness on the dangers posed by electricity supply infrastructure to wildlife and how to mitigate fatal accidents. Some of the strategies already implemented to mitigate these accidents include making power lines more visible, modifying power line structures, and introducing artificial dummy nesting poles next to power poles. Julana Fuka, NBC News, Windhoek.